Michael Vandegrift, MCV Realty Group.
You guys now in another episode of Military Minute. We have a very distinguished guest.
Our mission is to be the real estate company of choice, to always utilize resources and technology to provide the best service to all of our clients, to be able to provide the options to best fit each client's needs, to treat every client like family and guide them to a destination. Our vision, to be your real estate agent and advisor for life, to help guide you through each chapter of your life, honestly, ethically, and when you're ready.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another edition of the 3Rivers Market Report, where we give you the unbiased data from the local housing market here in Fort Wayne and surrounding areas. Michael Vandegrift, MCV Realty, and we've got some great data here. We're seeing a lot of ups, some downs. Ups just edged out downs this week. You know, we saw active available inventory down about 6 homes, down to about 747, just less than 1% week over week. So still got a lot of inventory out there, still seeing the trend of inventory rising. We see year over year, it's up 39% versus last year. So you got a lot more homes than you did last year. Look at new listings came in down 16% week over week, down 6% year over year. Solds came in up 18% week over week, up 13% year over year. Pendings came in up 15% week over week, up 21% year over year. Median sale price came in at $271,000, showing appreciation again. We've been seeing signs of depreciation and softening in pricing and the market, seeing that jump back up by 8% week over week. Still showing last 12 months rolling about 4%. Median sale price came in about $250. Last year at this time it was about $240. Days on market did slow down a little bit on the average to 21, but sped up on the median to 9. And versus last year, we're looking at 21 average, 9 median right now over the last 7 days. Last year at this time we were at 17 and 4, so a bit slower than last year, but still faster than average, and historically still a fast market. Not as fast as it was back in 21 and 22 when it was nuts, but still a fast market, still a seller's market. We're still running about 2 months inventory. We've got about 2.99 buyers per listing. Over the last 12 months, we saw 4,467 homes sold in Fort Wayne Popular versus last year at this time it was 4,333. So showing about 3%. So we're still up in homes sold. So still moving the right direction. Homes are still happening. Closings still happen every day. Let us know if you need to put together a game plan. We'd be glad to help you out. Everyone make it a great day. Grace and peace.